Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delete account on the application of a Royal Match with good settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of a Royal Match and you will click. Then this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.